right, let's get started with our guided class practice for lesson 131. Number 1 reads, Mrs. Vulgaris bought a hat and a cup at the school fair. How much did she spend? Well, let's look at over our information box. We said she bought a hat, so that would be $3.78. And she bought a hat and a cup. So we will add the cup, $1.61. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Bring our 1 up to the top. Let's carry that decimal down so we don't forget. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So she spent $5.39. Let's go ahead and write our number sentence. 378 plus 161 equals 539. All right, number 2 says circle the best number sentence to use to estimate the sum of 119 and 62. So if we were going to estimate or round the number 119, what number would we round that number to? Everyone, think about it. Get ready. Yes, I would round it to 120 because that last number is a 9. If it's a 9, a 5, or above, we round up. If it's below a 5, we round down. The next number is 62. It ends in a 2, so we round which way? Get ready. Yes, down. So the number will be what number? Get ready. Yes, 60. So if we're estimating the sum, we know we're adding. Sum means to add. So it looks like we have 120 plus 60. None of those other ones have 100 plus 60. So your answer is going to be 120 plus 60 equals 180. Okay, number 3 says, where is the star on this coordinate graph? So we have to figure out the coordinate numbers for the star. Remember, when we do the coordinates, we start across the bottom first. So we count over from 0. This is our origin where we start. 1, 2, 3. So the first number is going to be 3, comma, and then let's count up from the 3. Count up 1, 2. So the coordinate for the star is 3, comma, 2. Now the next one says for us to put a red dot at the coordinate 1, comma, 0. So if we start at the origin and we go to the right first, we get to the 1, and then we have 0. So this is right where we put our dot, 1, comma, 0. Number 4 says the school talent show started at 1 o'clock. It lasted 1 hour and 15 minutes. Show the time it ended on both clocks. So if the talent show started at 1 o'clock and lasted 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's see, I'm going to draw 1 o'clock on the clock. Maybe I'll change my color. And then it lasted 1 hour. So we know 1 hour from 1 o'clock is what time? Get ready. Yes, 2 o'clock. So if it lasted an hour and 15 minutes, what time would it be? Get ready. Yes, 2:15. 2:15. Or we could say a quarter after 2 or a quarter past 2. And your little hand And your big hand would look like that. Not the red. Okay, number 5 says fill in the correct comparison symbol greater than, less than, or equal to. So we have to solve these to figure out which symbol goes in between. So 3 times 4 equals what number? Get ready. 12. 6 times 2 equals what number? Get ready. 12. So we know what symbol goes between these two number sentences. Get ready. Yes, equal sign. Good. So let's move on over here. 16 divided by 2 equals what number? Think about it. Get ready. Yes, 8. Remember, when we were talking about division, we say division is the opposite of multiplication. So we can easily check our work by saying 8 times 2 equals 16. All right, and on this side we have 15 minus 8 equals what number? Get ready. Yes, 7. Alrighty, so we know that what symbol is going to go in between these two number sentences? Get ready. Yes, greater than. Number 6, it says find the differences. So we're going to go ahead and write 84 minus 47. Can we take 7 from 4, everyone? Get ready. No, so we're going to borrow from the 8. Cross out the 8, makes the 7. Let's bring that 10 over to the ones column. So we have 14 minus 7 equals what number? Yes, 7. 7 minus 4 equals what number? Get ready. Yes, 3. So the answer is 37. So let's write 169 minus 86. Make sure you're lining up your numbers correctly so that you get the correct answer. 9 minus 6 equals, get ready, 3. We cannot take 8 away from 6, but we can take it away from 16. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. So the answer is 83. See, normally we would say you can't take 8 away from 6, but if we borrowed this 10, made that a 0, we just make that number 6 a 16. So we can just say 16 minus 8 equals 8. Okay, and this last one is $5.29 minus $2.45. 9 minus 5 equals, get ready. Yes, 4. We can't take 4 from 2, so we're going to have to borrow. So let's change that 5 to a 4. Move that 10 over to the tens column. So we've got 12 minus 4 equals, get ready. Yes, 8, sorry. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Make sure we have our decimal and our dollar sign. That's $2.84.